The Equestria Ministry of Civil Defense has issued a war emergency warning for the entire Equestria continent. Transmission effective immediately at 5:42 a.m. All citizens across the entire Equestria continent. The Changeling lands have launched an unprovoked military invasion across the northern frontier. Canterlot and Manhattan are under direct threat of bomber strikes. This is not a test. Action mode, shelter. Take immediate shelter now. Move without delay to designated underground bunkers, cellars, or reinforced subterranean shelters. If you are in transit, seek the nearest underground entrance immediately. Keep all doors sealed and remain inside until official clearance is issued by authorities. Do not look directly at expelled love-draining magic. If you observe glowing discharge, fumes, or hostile enchantments, turn away at once and shield your eyes and face. Cover exposed skin and reduce breathing of contaminated air. Remain calm and stay alert for possible infiltrators. Do not open doors to unknown ponies. Verify identities using local Royal Guard instructions. If you witness suspicious pony behavior, disguised movement, or unauthorized access attempts, report it immediately to the nearest Royal Guard unit. Provide location, description, and direction of travel. Prepare for follow-up instructions. Keep a small supply of essentials with you in shelter. Await further updates from this station and official channels. The Royal Guard Sector Command has issued an immediate air raid and infiltration warning for Manhattan and surrounding counties. Changeling bomber squadrons have been detected en route. Expect impact within 15 minutes. Special instructions. First, take immediate cover in subway stations or bunkers. Second, chanceling infiltrators may attempt to sabotage utilities. Trust no unverified ponies. Third, in case of magic contagion or love-draining weapons, don respirators immediately. Stay tuned to this frequency. Do not use phone lines. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Royal Equestrian Resistance. The Canterlot broadcast tower is under direct attack. The defense lines at the Royal Palace have collapsed. The princesses are unaccounted for. If you are in the capital region, occupation is imminent. Burst all encrypted papers. Hide all civil defense supplies. This is the final broadcast from the free government. Godspeed, and may the harmony protect you.